In some other news now, known for his controversial statements, Union Minister Giriraj Singh is at it again. He advocated a change in population policy and stressed that the two-child norm should be mandated for all regions and religions. The Nevada MP stressed if India fails to follow the policy, and I quote, this is what he said, our daughters will not be safe and might have to be kept under the veil life in Pakistan. Speaking at a cultural event in West Champaran, Giriraj Singh was talking about several districts in Bihar where the population of Muslims has recorded an increase and has shown, that they have increased faster than that of Hindus. But let's just listen into what he exactly said.
फिर हम पाकिस्तान की तरह हमारी बेटियां स्कूल नहीं जाएगी, वो घरों में दुबकी रहेगी, हम घर से निकलने नहीं देंगे कि हमारी बेटियां असुरक्षित है। मैं यही चाह रहा हूं कि देश के अंदर एक कानून बने, ऐसा कानून जो हमारे भी दो बच्चे, हिंदू के भी दो बच्चे तो मुसलमान के भी दो बच्चे, सिख के भी दो बच्चे तो ईसाई के भी दो बच्चे।
And when questioned, the BJP MP from Nevada maintained his stand.
तो हमारे साधन सीमित हो रहे हैं, संसाधन सीमित हो रहे हैं, तो हमें संसाधन सीमित में अगर देश को विकास की गति पर ले जाना है, विकसित राष्ट्रों के ऊंचाई पर ले जाना है गतिमान होकर के, तो मुझे एक कानून लाना चाहिए। ये मेरा विचार है और मैंने देश के सामने रखा है। नहीं, दो बच्चे अगर हों, अगर दो ही बच्चा पर देश कहे कि दो बच्चे, तो दो बच्चे सबके लिए हों, इसके लिए कड़ा कानून बने, ऐसा कानून जो सब माने।
And now let's just listen into some, political reactions that are coming in on the statement that was issued by Giriraj Singh.
देश में आबादी बड़ी समस्या है। दुर्भाग्य ये है कि मंत्री हैं और बयान दे रहे हैं, तो उनकी सरकार से कहो ना कि आबादी जो है उसको बहुत बड़ी समस्या है, उसका रास्ता क्या सोचती है, यानी उनकी सरकार क्या सोचती है। ये तो मंत्री रहते हुए कुछ ना कुछ छपना है, इसलिए ऐसा अलम टप्पू बयान देना है। इसका क्या मतलब है? सरकार में रहते हुए इसके बयान देने का क्या मतलब है?
Okay, India Today's Rohit Singh joins us for more on this. Rohit, a very peculiar and bizarre proposal that has been put forth by the MP, where he's given this proposal to control population. I was listening to a reaction from the JDU, and they obviously were not too happy with this, remedy that the minister has proposed.
Well, Avantika, Giriraj Singh has always been known for making such sort of divisive comments, and this is nothing new because the first time he made such a demand was yesterday at an event in Bagha, and that event was about Hindu Dharm, and the title of the event was Hindu Dharm ko bachane ke liye kya karna chahiye. So that was the area where he was speaking, that was the platform, and therefore he recommended that there should be a law that should come into place whereby everyone, whether it's Hindu or Muslims, anyone from any community, they should be having only 2 children. So basically what the aim was, Giriraj Singh, it appears, was to target the Muslim community at this point of time, because everyone, because it's a fact that Muslims do have many children, and that is why he was targeting the Muslim community here, that they should be also brought under the ambit of such a law, that they also have only 2 kids. And remember that when the census was also out recently, it was shown in the census that the population of the Muslim in the country has gone up and that of the Hindus have come down. So this was basically the context, and he was clearly hitting out at the minority community.
Absolutely. Rohit, thanks so much for joining us.
All right, we're getting news that after getting DNA samples, or rather giving the DNA samples of the 4 Pakistani terrorists killed in the Pathankot airbase attack, India is now contemplating disposing of the dead bodies lying.
There's the hair. But then I decided to use the public transport. And now I feel I look like Natha. But don't you worry, the show looks fantastic.